Hi, I am Shelly Gordon. I work for the Facilities Maintenance and the Water and Sewer Department. I'm the Assistant Director there. During the COVID-19 crisis that we have been preparing for here in our community, we have been ordering cleaning supplies and personal protective equipment for the employees. We've acquired washable masks over the past few weeks. We've acquired disposable masks for buildings so that when public do enter, that they can provide those to the individuals. Our crew is working diligently every day, cleaning, rearranging their schedules so that they can assist where they're needed with different projects that have been coming up. We've been assisting through water and sewer some of the community members that are needing help, instead of having them call in plumbers from other areas to reduce the risk of spreading within our community. But I would like to send out a great big shout out to Randy, Tom, Steven, Rich, and Vinny from the facilities crew for the buildings. Sluggo, Tom, Steve, and John over here at the clinic, and for the Mishomis and Nuji Center. Toby and Florence over at the ECC. And then, of course, but not forgotten, are Johnny and Scotty on the night crew who have been scrubbing buildings until their fingers bleed. We love them all, and they've been doing a great job, and we thank them from the bottom of our hearts for sticking through this and moving forward. As for our water and sewer crew, keep on trucking, guys. We got this.